It is very common to use toothpaste to clean and polish the teeth to make them stronger, but do you know that apart from cleaning the teeth, toothpaste can also be used to polish some of the things we use on a daily basis? Although it may sound a little surprising, toothpaste can actually do a lot more than you ever imagined. Let's know what other things can be polished with toothpaste. Clean the nails. Apply a small amount of the paste on your nails with an old toothbrush and then brush it off. Repeat this process regularly on a daily basis, due to which your nails will also be shiny and strong. Silver or diamond ring polish. Apply a little paste to an old toothbrush and then use it to polish the diamond ring. After cleaning it well, wipe it with a cloth and then see the perfection. Clean the water spots on the furniture. Another thing that toothpaste does very effectively is to remove marks from glass or wooden tables made by placing cups of cold or tea, etc. Paste does this very easily. Simply rub the toothpaste gently on the wood with a soft cloth and then wipe off with another cloth. Clean the dirt from the floor carpet. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the stain on the carpet and scrub with a brush. This process will remove the toughest stains from your carpet. Turn on the iron. A small amount of toothpaste can lighten the bottom plate of your household iron. Apply toothpaste on the bottom of the cold iron, rub it with a coarse cloth and then wash and clean it. It will start to glow.